Another great video on May the 12th, 2021. And this morning I wanted to talk to you about a great article out there that was put out possibly about a month ago by Nick Clarkson. It's entitled Walmart Buys Bitcoin, 9 Things We Know About the Rumors. You know, there's been a lot of talk about what it's going to mean if Walmart starts to weigh in and make Bitcoin part of its portfolio, to the extent that it's possible that they might accept Bitcoin / pay their employees with Bitcoin / oh my goodness. But let's dig into this article and see a few things, and I'm gonna provide you with a little bit of commentary. It says there's strong rumors that have emerged that Walmart could reveal the amount of exposure it has to Bitcoin in the next quarterly earnings report. And that would make for major headlines if word emerges that Walmart buys Bitcoin. So what do we need to know about this? According to the company investor relations page, its first quarter of fiscal year 2021 results are slated for next month. That would be right about now. Walmart says it will report before market open on May 18th. So somewhere in the next 6 days. Earlier this year, Tesla purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and now accepts it as a form of payment. The electric vehicle firm cited that the reason for the move as for more flexibility to further diversify and maximize their returns on their cash. That said, Walmart purchasing Bitcoin may possibly help diversify a different area of cryptocurrency realms. Okay, so then it goes on to say, Clancy Rogers put in a Bitcoin magazine that it will create the ultimate exposure for Bitcoin to blue-collar Americans and trigger a global monetary paradigm shift that is long overdue. It also says that according to the website, Walmart currently has more than 10,000 stores, 24 countries, and that the company has extremely robust e-commerce presence, and that if Walmart buys Bitcoin, it would also improve these areas as well. So the idea here is Walmart is a monster, one of the wealthiest and most successful companies ever devised on the planet. It is essentially, in my opinion, infrastructure. We talk about institutional investors. There's a difference between that and infrastructure. Okay? Very similar, but the issue becomes when your infrastructure starts to invest in a particular currency or commodity, it's not just legitimizes that particular asset, it becomes the general purpose thing used to basically be exchanged for goods and services. So somewhere in these next 6 days, there could be a report that states how much Bitcoin the Walmart has acquired, and we probably get more reports on how they intend to utilize the currency, as well as any other part and aspect of the blockchain. In addition, I expect there may be more to the story. Who's to say Walmart is not investing in more than one cryptocurrency? It seems that everyone is focused on Bitcoin. When you start talking about companies like Walmart, you can bet they got very, very intelligent people on their staff, and they're going to diversify their portfolio. It's not going to be a one-trick pony. So this is my commentary. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion that if Walmart is investing in cryptocurrency, it's not going to just be Bitcoin. So we start talking about now this whole idea if we've got a $1 trillion asset right now, $1 trillion in market cap, Bitcoin, that just might get a pop that we couldn't possibly understand. And when you look at it from that point of view, where does that put the price of Bitcoin now? Earlier this year, I predicted that Bitcoin would be an $80,000 asset by close of business 2021. Here we are on Wednesday, May 12, 2021, and we've got ourselves a $56,000 Bitcoin. It keeps bouncing in a tunnel. Let's just go take a look at that. It keeps bouncing in a tunnel around $60,000. Let's go ahead and pull it up. Let's pull it up. So here it is. Let's take a look at that. Bitcoin for the past 1 month. Look at that. It's channeling between the $64,000 mark and this mark here, somewhere around 48,000. Just honing in right in this $50,000 area. 56 is just channeling in here. So somewhere in the next 6 days, I'm expecting a breakout on the positive side. And now we're off to the races again, talking about a $70,000 Bitcoin. That's right. This information, of course, is my opinion. Okay, it's not financial advice. This is just my assessment of what could happen based on the information that's out there. Hey, if Walmart decides that they're going to divulge that they are have a position in Bitcoin, and that they are potentially paying their employees in Bitcoin, there's a whole lot of rumors out there. It could mean a breakout above this $64,000 level that we've seen. We could be pushing towards that $70,000 Bitcoin, and ultimately to the price prediction that I gave earlier this year of $80,000. So if you have enjoyed this information and this price prediction and this information about Walmart, and you're gonna be watching for this report in the next 6 days, please, the timeliness of this information is important. Please share this with your friends. Throw up the likes, throw up the shares. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead. This is a great opportunity for you to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications. That's all I've got for you this time. I appreciate you guys listening, and I'll catch you on the next one.